Hey guys, it's MC Fixit here. I have the GOODaaa powerbank portable charger. This is 42,800 mAh's, 4 built-in cables, thermometer, 15-watt fast charge, 5 outputs, 3 inputs. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what it's like. It also has solar charging as well. So let's go ahead and unbox this power bank. So this is in the color orange. So you're going to get a guide here. Make sure to follow all of the steps on this to ensure you are doing it correctly. Right there are the outputs that are available on it. So right here breaks down all the different locations of everything. Then there's more information on the back as well. It does say that there is a 12-month warranty on this product. So we'll go ahead and open it up out of the bag here. That is the side that has the solar panel, and you can see it is charging right now because there is a lot of light in here. And you will see you have 3 different outputs here. So inside here you do have USB-C, USB-C, and an Apple charging cord, which is pretty great. They are kind of flexible as well. Then they can go right back down and into position and kind of lock themselves in just like that. On the side you do have the temperature gauge, and then on the opposite side you do have your regular USB connector, and that can go into any kind of outlet to charge, but also you have the ability to charge it with solar. It does come with flashlights as well. So there's the flashlight. It has 3 different modes. That's the flashing, and then really flashing. So that's pretty awesome right there. You also have 3 other options for input. So if, no matter what you have that ability. Also, you do have an in-out right here as well. This has nice silicone to keep it dry and the water out, which is great. Included in the box is a USB-C to USB-C and a carabiner. The carabiner can be hooked on right here if that's something you would like. So if you pull that up, you can hook the carabiner on, which allows us to have access, putting it on a backpack, doing whatever you want with it. Again, if you don't want it, you can always take that off, push that piece down. Let's go ahead and charge my phone. It is pretty low right now. We are at 2% battery. And so let's just go ahead and plug it straight in. And instantly it starts to charge it, which is awesome. If you're outside, you can always use the solar to keep it charging as well. And we'll go ahead and let that thing sit for a while. After 37 minutes of charging, we're up from 2% to 29% on the battery, which is pretty good for a battery pack charging a phone. I'm excited to see what this looks like throughout the rest of this week and probably next week before I come back and give you my final thoughts on this device. So if you are outside at all, it isn't even super sunny today, but you can see it is actually charging this power bank. And it's, like I said, not even super sunny. And you have the ability for it to charge, which is awesome. So you don't even have to have it plugged in. And you can recharge your battery from just the sunlight. So here are my final thoughts on this. I really like this device. It really is a great power bank. I've used it probably 12 times now, and each time I do it, it helps charge the phone. I love that it has the built-in cables, so you're not searching for cables. But if you do need a cable that you don't have there, it does have the option right here to charge just about any kind of device. I like that it has the USB here and the solar. It works really well for charging I've not really used the flashlight as much as I thought I would, but it still does work, especially if you're in a situation where you need a flashlight or you need some kind of SOS signal or some kind of flasher to like let people know where you're at. That's pretty cool. I didn't think I would like the carabiner, but I actually do. If you put this on your backpack, it will actually just allow it to charge as you're taking hikes or camping or anything like that. The thermostat's nice, but it's not something I think I would use all the time. I mean, if you're in a situation where you think you need to know what the temperature is outside, it's definitely there and an option for you. Overall, I really like the design of this. It is very rugged. I have not dropped it, so I don't know how it would hold up if you do drop it, but I like that it has the silicone corners that just kind of give you ability for low impact. I love the solar charging as well, just because if you're out hiking or doing something where you don't have access to charge this, it will charge it. Or even if you put this on your dashboard as you're driving and stuff, it'll charge it for you, which is pretty cool. Overall, I definitely am thankful that I got this device and will be able to charge my phone many, many times without having to actually charge the power bank, which is super fantastic. This is a very large capacity for battery and just a really well built power bank. If you're looking for this, go ahead and check my description for a link. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you've not done so already, subscribe as well. That does help my channel grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day and you can pick up a product like this yourself.